Good morning, Justin Gibbs here with the team at the National Weather Service in Paducah. It's been a tough night last night. We got between 8-9 inches of rain already in parts of western Kentucky, Marshall County, Christian County, Trigg County, and then obviously a lot of rain to the north too. But this is the map that we have. We're watching for our whole area. We have more weather coming today. We have a moderate risk for severe level 4 or 5 across parts of southeastern Missouri, and then kind of a level 3 across most of the rest of the area. This is our tornado probability, which is fairly high, and I'll explain kind of what we expect with that as we go. The kind of highest corridor is here, and the good news, if there is good news about this, is the worst of it is currently focused just north of the area that got the heaviest rain last night. And we still have a high risk for flash flooding. I mean, we have a flash flood warning in effect. Your phones in western Kentucky probably went off this is about 10:50 in the morning, about 10:15 with a flash flood warning. We aren't expecting any new rain for the next little bit, but we are expecting flood. Well, flooding is ongoing, and it's going to get worse most likely, and it'll especially be a risk that it'll get worse tonight. Here's a computer model that we like. Got a little bit of activity this afternoon we're going to watch for. Don't think necessarily that will go, and then a organized line of severe thunderstorms with embedded tornadoes potentially. This is at 7 p.m. and then that tracks eastward. This is at midnight, and then it starts training over top of us again, and then continues to rain through Saturday. Unfortunately, it's going about like the models have been saying it would for the last week or so. We're getting everything that we bargained for. Rainfall through tomorrow morning. The bullseye right now is across like Stoddard, Mississippi, Cape Girardeau County, between 5 and 7 inches, but that could fall anywhere. That could be more in Paducah, that could be more Cape, that could be more Murray, and then we've got additional rainfall expected to fall behind that. This model just hasn't completely finished running. Let me pull the old one up. It gives you the current. So yeah, there's another swath of 5, 6, 7 inches across the area. So an unusual, potentially historic flood risk exists tonight. It's going to flood in places that don't normally flood, and probably in places that have never seen flooding. It's a particularly dangerous situation. If you're in an area that is subject to flooding at all, or you don't feel safe where you're at today, while it's not raining, would be a good time to find a safe place to be as we go through the afternoon and evening. Also important to have a place to be sheltered from tornadoes tonight, as there is definitely an appreciable risk. Probably won't see as many as we saw Wednesday night, but we could see tornadoes. We are here. We're going to be fully staffed. We've got help from our neighboring forecast offices and the full support of the rest of the organization. So we're going to be here doing what we do. We'll put the warnings out, keep you ahead of the storm as best that we can. We'll update you as we're able. And everybody be safe out there and hang in there.